Hey, welcome to the world's #1 email marketing platform of MailZone. Do you know email marketing is a great marketing platform for making millions of dollars online? For every $1 you spend on email marketing, you can expect an average return of $41. But there's one big problem. Email marketing services are mostly unreliable. They have low delivery rates and use poor IP addresses, which make your emails land not in the primary box, but in the promotion tab, or worse, in spam folders. And yet, to get better services, you must spend a lot of money. Businesses on average are spending anywhere from $300 to over $2,000 per month. That's until today. Meet MailZone, an email marketing platform that offers the best in both worlds, affordable yet reliable services. With MailZone, you can send unlimited emails, add unlimited contacts to your lists, run unlimited campaigns, build unlimited to segment your leads for better results, and most advanced feature that you can generate unlimited leads using inbuilt lead generation features. All that without paying monthly fees. That's right, for just a small one-time investment, you can use our email marketing services for a lifetime. Even better, we include a built-in SMTP server for absolutely free, so you don't need to spend more money on a third-party SMTP provider. Also, you can generate thousands of email leads every single day without spending any single amount. And that's even more money you can save. Now for the best part. We've prepared dozens of ready-to-convert email templates. This will make building your email campaigns could be done in mere seconds. Plus, since they were made based on campaigns that work, you can expect to achieve great results every time. There's no risk to give this remarkable app a try. This offer is backed by our strong 30-day money-back guarantee, so you literally have nothing to lose here. Also, you'll get 24/7 full support with a world-class full training tutorial. So what are you waiting for? Get started now and start selling more with emails.
Hey, good morning, my friend. This side Subhash Yadav here, and in this video, we are going to give you full depth demo about my new product called MailZone, and basically, it is cloud-based application where you can send unlimited email to your unlimited subscriber, and it is one of the world #1 autoresponder software. Okay, so if you're using this software, then you don't need to buy any other softwares. So please stay with me just 2 minutes and I will give you full depth review. So let's log in each. Okay. So we enter our name and password. So you can see we have our technical teams and developer team design very beautiful and very user friendly. So you can use very easily, and every single steps you will get instructions options where you will understand everything. Okay. So let's talk about welcome. First, you will get welcome message. And using MailZone, you'll be able to create email list, customize them indirectly, and add subscribers to create and send a limited to enjoy a very details stay area to each of your campaigns. Let's get started. Okay. So email list, in order to start sending email list, you should start by creating your first email list. So once you click on here, then you will go to and create your first email list name. Okay, your email list identify you as a sender and in your information, and allow you to take various decisions related to your subscriber. Okay, and subscribers, once your email list is created, next step is to start importing your subscriber into the email list. By the way, if you don't have subscriber, if you don't have any subscriber, then you can upload your CSV file on here. And also, if you don't have, then you can use other software to generate a lots of email data for your online business. Okay, so and you can see subscribers, and next step campaigns, how you can send your campaign. Finally, after your list is created and you have added your subscriber list into it is time to create your first campaign. You will be able to select the list want to, so you can take your time and read it, okay? And email templates, okay? And we have designed a lot of email templates. So we are going to close right now, okay? So we have sent some emails previously, and you can see we have got amazing result, and you can see this is dashboard of the trackers where you can track your campaigns, your list, your subscriber, your template, okay, which template you are using. So first of all, we are going to talk about list. So let's talk on here. You can see this is the list option where you can create your list and import your import list on uh, your subscribers to on this software. Okay, so you can see we have mentioned the overview and copy and update and import list and archives, okay, and delete. So if you want to create a new list, simply click on here, and you can see this is the best. We have designed very beautifully, and you can see you can put your name list like mail zone uh, new list, okay, and you can put a description, and so you want to put single opt-in or double opt-in, and it is depend on your email. I am recommending you should use your business email, okay, because business email gives you best delivery rate, and your business email avoid to deliver your email campaigns to your subscriber spam folder, okay. So this is really really important features. So you can see on here everything, okay, everything is uh, unique, and also you can put your company details, and you can name and everything, okay. So this is the one options. And second is assigning subscribers and everything. So you can see if you want to import this tool allow you to split a big list into multiple smaller ones. Please note that subscriber from the selected list will be moved into new list, okay. So note copy, and you can see if you want to do a sign with your other list, maybe some subscriber have, and you want to sign with say some campaigns, then you can use this, okay. So every single option we have add instructions, so you don't need to worry. It is very easy to use cloud-based application, okay. And it is the best autoresponder and best user friendly. So let's talk about once you upload the create and upload list. After then let's talk about how you can upload the list. This is very simple. You can click on here, and this is the import option, and you can click on here and import your CSV file on here. So that is super simple. If you do not have database, then you can put your customer names and everything on here. You can upload a single email, okay. And let's talk about emails campaign. So we have regular emails, autoresponder, group, vendor, and states, and custom tags, and everything. So by the way, if you want to send one by one email template, then you should click on here, and you can put the campaign name, new test, okay, and choose the list. That is very simple, and click the save option. And by the way, you can put you can save and next, and you can see you can type your headline, new subject, and that is very simple, okay. You're so unique and very simple. And you can see you can put your text on here, and you can put your text on here. This is very we have you can customize, like if you 1 minute, you look here. If you want to put a bold, you can do it on here. And if you want to add the link, and then you can add any link on here, okay. So that is very super simple. So you can use this, so once you purchase, then you will understand how you can use this option, okay. And after then you need to do, and some you can see some tag you would not need to forget. So we will give you a full depth on inside training, okay. And let's talk about regular training and our autoresponders. You can see, so you can set autoresponder on here, and you can set up groups and send emails, send groups, status, states, custom tags, abuse complaints. So you can put a keyword where you can avoid some spams emails, okay. And email templates, So you will get category, template, and everything. Okay. And server, so delivery server, bounce rate, feedback will loop server, um, servers, email box, monitors, and also you can add your personal domain, and here have a training videos. Okay. And support, and they are done for you, email, save files. Okay. And API and everything, so we have done everything. Also you can see here, you can manage your subscription and account on here. Okay. So this is your account and your company details, and you can list, you can import and export your list. That is very super simple. Okay. And here have some your account details. Okay. List and campaigns, and you will get some messages from our developers, and the best part is you will get full support. Okay. So I hope you understand this amazing software. So if you have any questions, then contact my support team and contact me. And if you are not by this huge cloud based autoresponder, then go to buy now, because it is a one time launch of launch price, and you will send unlimited email to your unlimited subscriber, and my best support team help you if you getting problem anywhere. Okay. And we have step by step training videos about how you can use this software, and also we have a great opportunity to make a lot of money through mailzone. Okay. So this is secret trick and secret system we have created from the last 8 months. So hope this is really beneficial for you. So go to and access this, and we are meet you inside members area. So thank you, my friend, for watching this. Thank you so much.